Next up, we have Maya MD. Maya MD is an AI-powered clinical intelligence platform designed to enhance physician-patient communication and collaboration to provide an optimal healthcare experience. The platform can process symptoms, lab results, and past medical history to replicate how a physician would approach a patient to democratize healthcare, reduce patient costs, and boost hospital margins.
Every day, 46,000 people die in India because of lack of access to a health system or a doctor. That is more than 1.6 million people a year. And these situations are preventable, and similar conditions occur in other developing countries. I am Dr. Raju from Maya MD, and we are an artificial intelligence-based symptom analysis platform for healthcare ecosystems. Maya provides hospitals and clinics with a digital health assistant, connecting their patients to better insights and virtual care. Maya allows patients to have their own personal health assistant, which can provide a fast differential diagnosis in less than 2 minutes for 7,000 plus clinical conditions, as opposed to other telemedicine platforms, which allows patients to book an appointment without segregating patients into high-risk conditions, thus increasing the cost of treatment. AI will not replace physicians, but physicians who do not use AI will be replaced in due course of time. So Maya MD is a clinical intelligence platform for virtual care, decision support, and medical education. So our digital AI health assistant can look at a lot of things. One is chronic care management, which includes diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia. We can also look at patient education, patient engagement, because a lot of hospitals face this issue of engaging with patients after they move out of the hospital. We can also provide treatment reminders. We are a telemedicine 2.0, which is built on top of an AI. So we can reduce the cost of treatment, and we can also suggest what's the best next course of action for 7,000 plus clinical conditions. And we are a CDS system. We can also do predictive care coordination, a very fast triage, appointment scheduling, and present illness overview. We're happy that there are some really good companies in the space, including Babylon Health, Buoy, K-Health, etc., who has raised a lot of funds and doing really well. And where we feel we have an edges on physical signs and symptoms, because a lot of times in home healthcare, a lot of times paramedical staff go to a patient's home. So we can also look at symptom and signs analysis. And also we can also predict the next lab investigations to be done and can be connected to a lab provider, imaging provider, etc. We have a digital human interface. So that makes the system very much easy for patients to use. And again, we have a higher accuracy than most of these platforms. So currently our traction is, we have some really good traction in Asia, which is one is iMedTech from Taiwan, where we're integrating Maya to more than 10,000 devices a year. We are in early pilots for a project with Kuwait Health Ministry through Al Ghanim Group. We have also signed a contract with Manipal Dwaraka for IP admissions. And also we are working with Meghalaya government for a 1 million annual pilot for smart health. And we have a product which can be used to train doctors in clinical algorithms called Maya EDU. And we have a early pilot with 72 colleges and an average deal size of around $10,000 US. So we also did a clinical accuracy study with the University of Michigan to understand how accurate the system is, because in healthcare, accuracy is very much important. And we have a 94% accuracy with Maya. And we also did a consumer study to understand how easy it is to use Maya. And 89% of participants felt it's quite easy to use the system. So our ask for today is $1 million US, and join us in advancing the accuracy and efficiency of medicine. And 45% of these funds will be utilized for sales and marketing efforts, and 20% for product customization and pilots. And this year, our revenues for the India subcontinent will be around $300,000 US. Thanks for your patient listening. I'm Dr. Raju from MayaMD.ai. Thank you.